Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to deposit money in Plus500. The first thing that you need to know is you need to verify your account. And I didn't verify my account because for me it's not possible to do that. But when you did your verification on your Plus500 account, you need to know that if you want to deposit a fund to your account, you click here on the 3 lines left in the top and make sure that you are using a real account. So when you see here switch to demo account, you know I'm on my live trading account, my real account. Then what you need to do is you go right here to funds and then you can select right here deposit. Then what you need to do is select your banking account, fill in the amount and then do the confirmation with your phone application or your wallet address. And then you can deposit money or crypto to Plus500. I can show you the steps because I didn't verify my account. But if you don't know what to do after clicking in this option on deposit, I can help you through it in the comment section. So please comment down below if it's still not working for you. But this is the place where you need to be to deposit your money on Plus500. So hopefully this was exactly the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.